Mas mahaba yung sa kanya. Baba, andito na tayo. It is finally our day. And I know Mama is smiling down on us kasi ito rin yung araw na birthday niya. Mama, marami pong handa. Matutuwa po kayo sa handa po namin. May lechon din po. Nung nag-start tayo, Mama, diba? Going back from Pampanga to Laguna, 3 to 4 hours, minsan 5 hours ako nagko-commute para lang makapag-spend tayo ng time together. Hanggang lumipat ka ng Pampanga, naging same subdivision tayo. Tapos ngayon, bubuo na tayo ng sarili nating tahanan. I'm so proud of us. Yeah. Iniisip ko bakit tayo yung pinagtakbo ng Lord. Tapos, sabi ng Lord, masyado ng maraming mga trentahin na single sa church. Kailangan na daw magbawas. Sabi ko, I volunteer. Here I am. Send me, Lord. Before ko na napag-desisyon na ikaw na talaga yung para sa akin. Sobrang na-amaze ako nun kasi nag-pray ako sa Lord. Kasi syempre tumatagal na tayo, di ba? Sabi ko, Lord, bigyan niyo po ako ng sign na si Sarah talaga ang para sa akin. And after kong mag-pray, agad-agad, biglang lumabas yung sign na pinagpipray ko. Naiyak ako ng time na yon, sobra. Kasi parang hindi ko maakalain na ganun kabilis ang sagot ng Lord. Lakasan ko daw po. As I always say, Baba, you are that one person who deserves all the good things in life. Alam mo yan, lagi ko sinasabi sa yan. I've heard of your hardships, yung struggles mo sa buhay. And I've witnessed how strong you are as a daughter, as a sister, and as a person. Hindi man madali yung start ng ating relationship dahil nun sa nangyari kay Mama. Pero sobrang proud ako sa kung paano mo nakayanan yun, paano mo siya hinandle. Pinakita mo kung gaano ka ka-loving, even in your down moment. So, I'm always amazed by you, Baba. I promise to serve you and to listen to you every day of our lives, kahit hindi ka nauubusan ng kwento. With matching accent pa. At iba-iba pa yung accent, depende kung anong napakinggan mo. I promise to protect you and put your needs first. I promise to cherish you and all the moments that we will share. I promise to guide you to what is right and good for you. I love you so much, Baba. I love you so much, Mrs. Ko. Let's continue to love each other and love God more together. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving my family. And thank you for Sarah's family na minahal din ako tinanggap. Kahit una pa lang kami nagkita, na-feel ko agad yung pagmamahal nila sa akin. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Ate. Salamat. And I love you so much, Baba.
Yan po ang pangako ni Brother Marlon. Sarah, na pakinggan natin. Ngayon, pakinggan naman natin si Sarah, ang kanyang pangako kay Brother Marlon.
Ayan, mas mahaba po ito. Ayan. Dada, today is May 10, a day that holds a lot of meaning for me. It's my mama's birthday, and it's been 5 years since she passed. And yet, every time this day arrives, that familiar sadness always finds its way back to me. I was in my darkest hour when we met. Losing Mama felt like the end of my own life. it left me in pieces and I just didn't lose her. Feeling ko nawala ko rin yung sarili ko. I was consumed by darkness so heavy na hindi ko na nakikita na magpatuloy sa buhay ko. For 27 years, actually 31 na po pala, pero 27 years, ang tanging identity ko lang is si Sarah na anak ni Inday Violi, Giovanni, at kapatid ni Joanna. I can still remember na sinabi ko kay ate na siya na lang yung mag-asawa kasi feeling ko hindi na ako mag-aasawa kasi okay naman akong pantayin sila mama. Sabi ko ako na lang ang mag-aalaga sa kanila. I saw caregiving not as a burden but as my divine purpose. Making the thought of me having my own family felt like a dream na feeling ko hindi ko na hindi ko na makukuha. But God truly has reasons for every door that closes. I can still remember my last convo with Mama. Sabi ko, Ma, forever single na lang ako. Para dito lang ako sa'yo. Sabi niya, umiti siya. And as for those who don't know, my mom has a second childhood. And she can't really speak. Pero sabi niya, hindi, Sarah. Sabi ko, bakit ma? Little did I know, she was already praying for you. She knew that she would be leaving soon. And she knew that I would need someone to hold me during the darkest moments in my life. Once you went home to our Creator, I know now that God gave me you because He knew I would need guidance and a steady hand as I found my footing in this new chapter ng buhay ko. 2 months after her passing, talagang grabe yung guidance ng Panginoon. Nagkaroon tayo ng rason para makita ng personal, being workmates sa isang company. And I can still remember, sinabi ko to kay ate. Sabi ko kay ate, ate, his smile reminds me of Mama. It's warm and loving. And from that moment, I know you are what I have been praying for. This may sound so cheesy, no? Pero it's the truth. Ayaw mo to sinasabi ko, pero for all the failures in my life, you are the victory I've been praying for after years of losing. You are the love that I've been craving for after numerous heartbreaks and bruising. And you are the warm hug of acceptance and freedom after season of grieving. Lagi mo narinig to, pero ayaw mo nga. Sabi ko lagi na you saved my life. Not only because you gave me this love, but because God also used you so I can see things in my life na needed ko i-improve. Katulad ng health ko, yung relasyon ko kay Papa, kay ate, at yung relationship ko sa Panginoon. Thank you po to my now official mama, mommy and daddy, Mommy Sarah and Daddy Manny, for raising a good man like Marlon. You raise a man na talagang mapagyayabang niyo po dahil sa kabaitan niya. I also want to thank your siblings, Ate Beng, Monique and Yan, as well as your relatives and close friends from your high school, your college, your workmates, and every chapter of your life na ngayon nandito para sa'yo. Whether you've known him for the longest time, thank you. Kasi I know that each and every one of you played a part in molding him into this incredible man he is today. I am a firm believer that all things work together for good. God used your love, your friendship, and your guidance to prepare Marlon to be the perfect partner for a woman named Sarah. Dada, thank you for loving me exactly as I am. Thank you for accepting all my flaws and for constantly proving me na I am worthy of being loved and taken care of. I promise na even the waters get rough and trials test us, hindi kita iiwan. I will be here with you and for you. loving you faithfully through every challenges and every seasons of our lives. We may not always agree on things, katulad ng gusto mo ako mag-diet. O kumain ng healthy at mag-exercise lagi. Or we may see uglier versions of ourselves in the years to come. Tumaba man ako ng lubusan o makalbo ka man ng tuluyan. But I promise that I'll keep on holding for us together with God's grace until we're both gray and old. Thank you, Dada. Exactly 5 years ago today, my life felt like it had ended. But today, with this new chapter we are writing together, you haven't just given me a new life. You have given me a new identity. Dahil ang Sarah na dati ay kapatid ni Joanna at anak ni Giovanni at ni Inday Violi, ngayon, magiging si Mrs. Sarah Ruth Carrion na. Dalawa na tayo, Mami. Na ang dating walang sariling pangarap para sa sarili, bubuo na rin ng pamilya. Na in years to come with God's grace, ang dating masugid na anak ay magiging mama na rin ng isa o dalawang supling, depende sa budget. And I know that when that time comes, I'll still be grateful that God did not only use you and not only use my grief to find you, but He also used death to breathe life into mine. I love you forever.
Lakpakan po natin. Narinig natin ang kanilang